Namaste, Roshan.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, namaste, Masvin. Namaste, Shravan. Namaste. Okay, take your notebooks and draw, children. Take your Hindi notebook. Okay, and draw. You can take a fresh page like this. Take a fresh page like this, and both the sides you can use and draw. Okay? If you can draw it in a single page, you can do it, or else you can use both the sides. Okay? Masvin, start drawing, Masvin. If it is difficult for you to draw, you can get help from your parents also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Try to draw. If it is difficult, get help from your parent. Shravan, started. Shravan, are you drawing,
Yes, ma'am.
Shravan? Yeah, start drawing. Write today's date also, children, okay?
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Yes. Namaste, Satvika.
Yes.
Yeah, namaste, Satvik. Namaste, Gritvik.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, Nivin. Take your Hindi notebook and draw, Nivin. The one which I have striked out, please don't draw that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Come on. If it is difficult, parents, you can help them. Nivin's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Is he able to identify Swar now? A to Aha?
Yes, ma'am. He's able to
Yeah.
identify.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
No, it's not the page number. You have to take the Hindi notebook and then you have to draw it. To draw a circle in between and write these letters. And then around the circle, you have to draw this. Okay, Gritvik?
What?
Take your Hindi notebook, ma.
Hindi notebook.
Take a fresh page. Write today's date.
This, ma'am. Oh, notebook too.
Notebook. Hindi notebook. 4-line notebook.
Okay.
Write today's date also, children.
డాడీ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాడు బుక్స్ తెచ్చుకో అని చెప్తే తెలుసుకుంటాడు ఏదో నోట్బుక్ అక్కడే ఉంది 4 లైన్ నోట్బుక్ బుక్ కిందే ఉంది
Yes, Gritvik, mute yourself, ma.
This?
Yeah, take the notebook. Take a fresh page. Write today's date. Draw a circle in the middle of the page. Copy all these letters. And then around the circle, you have to draw these images. Like how it is in this paper. You have to draw it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just the outline. You need not color it. Just draw it. Enough. Satvik, are you clear, ma? Satvik? Satvik.
My camera is not work,
It's
ma'am.
okay, ma. What I told, can you understand what I said?
Hey, Guruji, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, Izan. Why are you wearing cap inside the house? Yeah, very good, Madayanand. Keep it, don't do it. Have you done that sheet? Don't do it, okay? We'll do it together. Don't do it. Itzy kappa. Good, Izan. Come on, Izan, take your notebook and draw this, Izan. Draw a circle, copy down all these letters, and then around the circle, you have to draw these images, okay? Draw fast. I know you will draw it very fast. Come on. Copy down the letters correctly, children. How many of you are ready? Dayanand is ready. Then who is ready?
Nivin Surya ready, ma'am.
Nivin Surya ready? Finished
Ready, ma'am.
drawing. Shravan is also ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Shravan, Nivin, Dayanand, Sai Charan. Sai Charan, are you still drawing, Sai Charan?
No, ma'am. And now I'm matching them.
Don't do it, I said. Now only I said it clearly. Don't do it. We'll do it together. Just draw it, I said. Did I tell anyone to match it? No, right? Then when I tell you to match, what you will say? Ma'am, I finished, ma'am. Then what about others? Together we have to do it, Sai Charan, okay? Yeah, good. Thank you. Who else finished, children? Shall we start the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Aswin, Arjun, Roshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Drawing a fast, Roshan. We'll start.
I finished it, ma'am.
Grithvik finish. Very good. Satvik, did you finish, Satvik? Good, ma. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Finished? Satvik finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll start. Roshan, still how many you have to draw? Roshan, finished? 3. Draw it fast, Roshan. Or else give it to your mama. She'll draw and give it to you. Get help from your mama also. No issues. Nivin, don't match it, Nivin. Wait for others. We have to do it together. Okay?
I know, ma'am.
Good.
I'm down.
Kumara Gurubaran, namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, namaste, Kumaran. How is your wound? It's okay now? It's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now take your Hindi writing notebook. Take a fresh page and you have to draw all this. If you have your parents next to you, ask them to draw and give it to you because we are going to start the session, okay? If you draw, it will take time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If any elders is next to you, you can ask help from them. Ask them to draw and give it to you. Copy down these letters in a circle and then draw the other things around it, okay? Okay, now we are going to start it, children. First, Grithvik. Grithvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Grithvik. Okay,
Yeah.
first, this one, this letter. What is this letter?
Oh.
Oo, say, what will you match?
Un.
Oon, where is oon? This one.
No.
This one.
No.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, come on. Oo, say oon. Match it, children. Very good, Grithvik. Next is Shravan. Shravan. What is this letter, Shravan?
E.
He say,
Emily.
where is Emily? Match it in your notebook and show it to me, Shravan. Did you match it, Shravan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Shravan. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Next is Roshan. रोशन, ये क्या है रोशन? बोलो रोशन,
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्या है? बोलो
Ka.
का से what will come? का से kalam. Kalam is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is kalam? Do it in your notebook and show it to me. Ka se kalam, I am going to match. You have to help me. Very good, Roshan. But why did you take time? Confused, ah? Good, Roshan. Okay. Should not get confused, okay? Okay, next is Satvik. Satvik,
Yes. Easy.
1 minute, Satvik. 1 minute, Satvik. I am not able to erase. Oh my god. 1 minute, ma Satvik. I'll erase this. Wait, okay? It's not going out. Okay, it's okay. Come on, Satvik. Next letter, this one. Say
Arm.
arm. Where is arm?
There, ma'am.
After which picture?
After which one?
Next to what picture? Next to Ise Imali. Very good. Very good. Okay, next is Gritvik finish, no? Next, whom shall I ask? Sai Charan. What is this letter? Sai Charan. Cha say.
Chammach.
Huh?
Chammach.
Chammach. Where is Chammach?
Here.
Show me in your book. Where is Chammach? I can't see it, ma. Okay, good. Cha say Chammach. Very good. Okay. Next, who is there?
Namaste,
Niv-
ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, Rayan. Nivin. What is this, Nivin? Nivin.
Oh, ma'am.
Who say?
Who's that?
Hmm.
Ullu.
Ullu. Where is Ullu?
There, ma'am.
Okay, Nivin. Good. Okay, next is Kumaran. What is this letter? Kumaran. Say. Say. Say what, ma? Say what will come?
Heavy, ma'am.
Huh?
Heavy.
Say.
Anar, ma'am.
Very good, Rayan. Say anar. Here. Okay, Rayan, you yourself tell this. O. This letter. What will you match for O? O say.
Okay, Oakley, ma'am.
Where is Oakley, Rayan? After what picture? Next to what picture?
Abba Ullu.
Abba Ullu. Very good, Rayan. Oakley. And finally, we have E. Dayanand. E say. E say.
Ise Emily.
E say Emilia. E. This is E. E say. Eek. Where is Eek? Next to very good, Dayanand. Next to mango. Okay. Very good. Well done. All of you have done it correctly.
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
didn't
very
ask
good.
me.
Yeah, I'll ask you. There is lot of chances here. Okay. Okay, now this matching we'll do. Okay. First, Izan. What is this?
Which one, ma'am?
Which
One
one,
minute,
ma'am?
1 minute. This one. Is this?
ये देखो.
क्या है ये?
ma'am.
हाँ?
Kabutar.
Kabutara.
Kabutar.
Look
Yes.
at
This
the
one
arrow
is
in the
on the
screen.
first one. ये क्या है ये?
ये क्या है
Balls,
first?
ma'am.
Balls.
Wool, ma'am.
Very good, Ryan.
Wool, ma'am.
This is woolen thread. Okay. Where is
Okay.
woo? First one, second one, or the
Second
third one?
ma'am.
Second one. Very good. Very good. Okay. Second one. What is this? Who is going to say this?
Kabutar,
Grithvik.
ma'am. Kabutar.
Everything you will answer, huh? Naughty boy. What is this?
I'll say kabutar.
Very good, Ryan. Ka say kabutar. Where is ka? First one, second one, or the third one?
First one, ma'am.
Very good, Ryan. Good boy, Ryan. Okay, next is Roshan. Roshan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this, Roshan?
Ainak.
Ainak, where is I? First, second, or third?
Third.
Third, very good. I say Ainak. Sai Charan. Sai Charan, checking whether you know this. What is this?
Machli.
Where is Ma? Can you tell me where is Ma?
The second picture, ma'am.
Second letter. Okay, this is A and this is A. So obviously this is Ma. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Sai Charan. Next is Dayanand. Dayanand, what is this? Huh? Dayanand,
Yes, ma'am.
answer, Ma.
Ma'am, you called me, ma'am.
I called Dayanand, Ma. But Dayanand, I am not able to hear you, Dayanand. Are you answering? Why I am not able to hear him? Okay. Come on, Nivin, what is this picture?
This picture is picture.
Hmm. What is this? Who knows, children?
Isha.
Aurat.
Aurat, very good, Shravan. Aurat. Au, where is Au, Shravan?
This one, ma'am.
You didn't answer for Aurat. Now you are showing me the letter. Third one. Very good, Shravan. Next is, what is this? Who is going to say this?
Me, ma'am.
Tell me, what is this?
This is tomato market. Tomato.
This is
This is tomato.
Tomato. Very good, Kumara Gurubaran. Tomato. Ta say tomato. Here you have three letters. First one is E. Third one is Ang. Okay, so the answer is Ta here. Okay? Okay. Ryan, what is this, Ryan? Ryan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
Ka say Khargosh, ma'am.
Where is Kha?
First letter, ma'am.
Very good, my children. Very good. Okay. Finally, Satvik. What is this, Satvik?
Oh, say
Arjun, I'll call you, Arjun. I have another sheet also. Don't
Only,
worry.
ma'am.
Oh, where is O?
This
Where
one,
is
ma'am.
O? Which one? First, second, or third?
Third.
Very good. Okay, next. Arjun. Are you ready, Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to tell me what comes first here. What is the missing letter here?
First one.
Anna.
Come on, write and show me how I should write. Write and show me in your slate what I should write here. I don't know to write ah. Come on, tell me how to write.
Ma'am, this one. Okay, ma'am.
Nivin, wait ma, I'll call you. At that time you can answer. Mute yourself. Take your slate and be ready, children. To whom I am asking, they should write and show me the letter which I have to write. Yeah, good. Ah.
I'm not seeing this.
Say anar. Very good. Okay, next is say anar. Say am. Next, what will come? Who is going to answer?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Nivin, next what will come here?
E.
E, how I should write?
Sheep like.
Write and show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Sleeping line.
Sleepy line.
Then standing line.
Sandy line.
Then
Golf. In the city. In the sea.
Write and show me, Nivin. Right. Show me what you are writing.
Sorry.
Correct? Correct, Nivin? Standing line, sleeping line. Very good, Nivin. Good boy, Nivin. Yeah, he's saying standing line, sleeping line. Something he's saying, but I can't understand. Very good.
Inverted 3 like that is that.
Oh, like that. Okay. Okay, ma. Very good, Nivin. Okay, next who is going to say this?
Me.
Grithvik, come on, Grithvik. Write and show me, Grithvik.
Okay, ma'am.
What will come? What? Point it out and show me. What will come next?
Point end of
To show like this. Point like this. What I should write?
Ooh.
I should write.
Ooh.
Who is next to Grithvik? Pinch his nose.
E.
E. Now you got it. Show me where is E. That's what. Concentrate. Okay. E. Correct? E.
Yeah.
Grithvik, am I right?
No.
Why?
E.
Why?
Matra.
Very good, Grithvik. That's it. Good boy. E matra. Very good. Okay. E. E. Next, what will come? Who is going to say this?
Me, ma'am.
Satvik. Sorry, Sai Charan. Come on. Next, what will come? Now only you are preparing it. I told you already, no children. Be ready. Who is going to answer this? What will come, Sai Charan? Fast.
Ma'am, I forgot my chalkies.
Who is ready? Come on, tell me, children, who is ready?
Ma'am,
Satvik. Ryan, write and show me, Ryan. Very good, Shravan. Shravan finished. See? Very good, Shravan. Correct, Shravan?
ma'am.
Correct, Shravan?
Yes,
Correct?
this is not.
Open your mouth and answer.
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Yes. Is this right or wrong? I need only one answer.
3.
Only 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, correct? Now it's right?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one, what will come, Ryan?
Alam.
Ryan's grandmom. Why are you teaching him? Don't teach him. How will you write ooh? Then I'll give marks only for your grandmother, not for you, Ryan.
Right.
How will you write ooh? I don't know to write ooh. You have to help me.
Right.
Finished. Very good. Very good. Correct. And then Ureka. Okay. Next is Aru. Okay. Then what will come here, Roshan? What will come here, Roshan? Masvin, what will come here? Who is going to say? Come on. Write and show me.
After Ru.
Izan, ma'am.
What will come here? Nobody knows the. Very good, Izan. A. How to write A, Izan? कैसे लिखना है A?
This ma'am.
ఈ ఆ నుంచి ఆహా వరకు నీకు
Ah, very good. A. Correct?
ఆహా వరకు రాయి చూద్దాం మ్యామ్ కి చూపిద్దాం
Good. Very good. Masvin,
Yes.
after A, what will come? A, I, U, Ru, A. Next one.
చెప్పు
Aisha, Aina.
Okay, I, how will you write?
ఇక్కడ రాసి చూపించడానికి
I, how will you write?
I'm writing.
You writing, write first. Is this correct, I?
No.
Why? Why no? What I left?
మాత్ర
Matla.
Matra. I, okay? Your matra should also be big, not too small, okay? I matra, okay? I over. This is O. After O, what will come, children, here?
So I know.
Huh? O after?
Oh.
O after O, correct, children? Is it O?
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, it's O. Very good, Ryan. It's O. Nivin? Wrong, Nivin. O will come in Tamil only, Nivin. In Hindi, you will have only one O and one O. Correct, Ryan? Correct? Ryan, see whether ma'am has written correctly.
Two matras should come, ma'am.
That is not two matras, that is au matra. Okay? One, two. Very good, children. Au matra. And then what will come here? Au after?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Correct? Is it right, Izan?
Dot, ma'am.
Dot, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now correct? Aha.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All of you clap hands for yourself. Very good and well done, children. Okay? I'm just going to come back. Okay. Now I want you to take the textbook, children. Take your textbook. Okay? Hindi textbook. From Ka, you have to read and show me all the pictures, okay? Ka page, take Ka page. Page number 16. Take your book, look at the book and read what I taught you. Okay, first who is going to read out? Arjun. First Arjun.
Say kalam.
Kamal.
से कछुआ
Kachua.
से कबूतर से कटहल
Kathal. Kase.
से
Hmm.
खमीस
Kameez. Very good, Arjun. Okay, next is Shravan. Shravan, page number 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
क से खरगोश,
Hmm.
ख से कटमल, ख से खरबूजा,
Kase. That's all. Only 3. Okay. Thank you, Shravan. Next is Roshan. Roshan for G.
गधा
G से गधा.
ग से गमल
Gamal. Is it Gamal?
गमला
Gamla.
गमला
Next.
मैम
Hmm?
screen is black ma'am
My screen is black.
yes ma'am
2 vanilla will be there. You pin any 1 vanilla and see I'll be there. Okay. Next one, ma. Hmm. Now you are able to see me, Izan.
yes
What, ma?
ma'am
G से. Okay, thank you. G से. G से गधा. Okay. G से गमला. Then G से गज. G से गज. I didn't hear. I was not able to hear. Okay, that's what I'm asking you one more time. What is this? Gaj. Very good. Okay, next. Very good, ma Roshan. Next, Gritvik. Gritvik.
yes ma'am
Come on,
Yes.
read. Gha. This page. Look
okay
at your book and read. Look at your book and read.
गा से घर गा से गड़ी गा से गन
Gha से gada.
गधा
Very good. Very good, Gritvik. Next, Ryan. What is this letter, Ryan? Ryan is not there. Izan, Ang. Okay, this. Take this page and read. Cha page you have to read.
Izan? Are you calling Izan, ma'am?
No. Ryan.
चमची
Hmm.
चा से चमची
Chamachiya. What is chamachi? Cha से
चा
छटाई.
से चम्मच
Cha से चम्मच. Cha से चटाई. This is चटाई.
Okay.
चटाई
चम्मच.
चम्मच
This one.
चप्पल
This one. What is this? Who knows this? Who knows?
चक्की
Ritik don't know, Should not say like that. What is this? Chakki. Very good. Cha say chakki. This one.
चा से चक्का मैम
Very good, Ryan. Cha say charka. Very good. Next is cha. Okay, this who is going to read? Dayanand. Dayanand. Okay, now come on, Izan. Look at this book and read, my Izan.
Read.
Cha say.
छा से
Hmm.
छतरी मैम
Cha say.
चन्नी
Cha say.
छड़ी
This one.
Cha से
छ से
छत.
छत मैम
Chat. Roof. Okay. This one. What is this? This is chad. Okay, iron rod. This is only chadi.
Oh,
Okay?
Chadi. This is
Chadi.
Chadi.
This is chad. Okay? Very good.
Idhar dekh.
Dayanand. Dayanand, read this page, Dayanand. Come on, take your book and read. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, come on, I'm going to show you. Look at this and read. What is this letter?
These are not clear, ma'am.
Hmm?
These are not clear. These are not clear.
Hello, Dayanand.
These are not clear, ma'am.
Okay. Well, Sai Charan, come on. Read it, Sai Charan. Sai Charan. Ja say.
Jahaj.
Ja say. Ja say.
Jawan.
Very good, Ryan. Ja say Jawan, soldier. And then this one. This.
Jalebi.
Sai Charan, why don't you answer, Sai Charan? What are you doing? What happened to you, Sai Charan?
Okay, ma'am.
Answer.
Just say jalebi.
Jalebi. It's not jalebi. It's jalebi. E matra, can you see there? No. Jalebi. And
Jalebi.
then this one. Instead of you, Ryan is answering all. Then you are keeping quiet. Then why I called you?
Jug.
Just say jug. And then this one.
I don't know the.
Just say jud.
Just say jud.
Yeah, very good. Okay, next is another ja. Who is going to read this page? Who is going to read this page? Nivina. Come on, Nivin. What is this? What is this, Nivin? What letter is this? Ja. Okay, ja say. Huh? Who knows this, children?
Jaroka, ma'am.
Very good, Shravan. Ja say Jaroka. Next one also you read, Shravan.
Jana.
Ja say Jarna. Ja say Jaroka. Ja say Jarna. And what letter is this? All of you should say. What letter is this?
Nya, ma'am.
Nya. Very good. Nya. Okay? Yeah, very good. Nya. Good. Now take your writing book. That is the Scandi book. This book. I want to know till what page you all have finished. Tell me the page number till what you have finished.
Till ja, ma'am.
Till ja.
35.
Huh?
35.
Very good. Till 35 everyone has completed. Is there anyone who didn't complete till 35 except Izan? Is there anyone who didn't finish till 35? Let me know.
I finished.
Yeah, Grithvik finished. Roshan finished.
Ma'am, I finished 35.
Okay, ma.
Finish.
Roshan finished. Shravan finished. Yeah, Dayanand, I heard you finished. Yes, Roshan. Finished. Arjun finished. Arjun finished. Okay, good. Next, who else? Nobody is there. Everyone finished till page number 35. Pakka, no? Then you should not say, ma'am, I didn't finish. Okay? If you have not finished also, you should finish it today. Okay? Now take page number 37. 37. This page. Can you see everyone? This page. You will have a janda here. Ja say janda. You are going to color the janda and then you are going to write. Okay. Before that, I'll tell you how to write J. Okay. 1 minute, children. All of you, please don't start writing. I'll tell you how to write J. See, you all know to write E, right? Like that, you have to write. Standing line, like E itself, you have to write, children. Okay, then in the middle of this E letter, you will draw a sleeping line and then a standing line. That's it. Okay? It's very easy. Like E, you have to write. First, you write letter E. And then in the middle of the letter, you draw a sleeping line and a standing line. It becomes J. Yes? Now first start writing. And then after finish writing the letter, you will color that janda. Ja say janda. Okay? Yes, everyone clear? You want me to write another time and show me? Show it to you? Yes, clear everyone? What, Grithvik?
Yes,
Why your
ma'am.
face is going like that? Okay, very good, Master Ravan. Grithvik, you already finished this sheet, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you're sitting simply. Did you color this janda?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Hereafter, without saying, you should not write any sheet, okay?
Okay.
Next page.
Madam,
Next
చెప్పిన
page
తర్వాత
also
రాయండి.
finished. Sorry?
Huh? Again,
Someone-
tell me.
Next page. This page also you finished, next one.
Nia?
Yeah,
Yeah.
finished. That also finished,
Yeah.
Jitvik's mom. Your mummy is next to you. Please don't make him write other pages unless I tell him. Okay, then in the classroom he'll sit simply, no?
This
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Done.
Okay, hereafter don't write, okay?
Okay.
What, Sai Charan? What are you searching, Sai Charan? Thank you, Magritvik. What are you searching, Sai Charan? Show me your notebook. What, ma? Why are you so confused, Sai Charan?
I finished that page, ma'am.
You finished already. That's why you are blinking, Next page also you finished? Next page also finished, Nia. Nia also finished, Okay. After this, you should not write any page, okay? When I tell you only, you should write. Unnecessarily, you should not write, okay? Done?
But I don't color Tanya. I don't color the Tanya.
Nia, I didn't ask you to color. We are now only writing just say janda.
No, no.
You need not write it. You need not color it. Wait. I'll tell you when to write. Okay? Okay, done. See, you are sitting simply without writing. All because I've written it already. Those who finished, color that janda. Only this page you write, children. Page number 37, page number 36, you can write it afterwards. First, you write only page number 37. Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Till which page you have finished, Ryan? Till 35 page you have finished?
Till ja, ma'am.
Ja finished, Very good. Good, ma, Ryan. I thought you didn't finish. Good.
We have
Very
send
good.
your homework, ma'am.
Yeah,
We
I
have
saw.
Done, ma'am.
What did you do? Izan, still writing in notebook, Izan. What about the book, Izan? What happened? What is happening? You don't want book,
I like ma'am.
You want, Then what you should do? Where is your mama? मम्मा कहाँ है? बुलाओ.
यहीं पर हूँ मैम.
क्या हुआ? बुक क्यों नहीं लिया आपने?
नहीं, नोट्स तो है इसके पास.
Then also if book is there, it will be easy for him to read, no?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, done.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. Okay.
I finished it, ma'am.
Why showing face like that, Izan? I watched everything. You're thinking that I'm not watching anything. I'm watching each one of you. All your mischievous act and all I'm seeing. Good.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Dayanand.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Gritvik. You wrote it in your notebook. Very good. Cha, ja, nya, va. Good.
No.
Ja only I've written. Show it closely. No, I'm not able to see. Correct. Good. Shravan. Why Shravan is smiling?
This
What
right
happened,
now,
Shravan?
no?
Don't
This
write Nya. No.
Okay.
Shravan, not at all writing. You are playing, Shravan. See his mouth going here and there.
Ma'am, I'm hungry.
What? You are hungry, Chicho. You finished writing? Finished? Finished writing or not? Finished, Very good. Then go and eat. If you are finished, you can go. No issues.
Okay.
Yeah. Go
Shukriya,
have your food. Yeah, Shukriya, go have your food. If you are hungry, you can go. Shukriya, Shravan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you are welcome, ma.
Shukriya, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya, Gritvik. Sai Charan also can go. Yeah, Izan can go. Shukriya. Nivin, without finishing, you are going, Nivin? Did you finish, Nivin?
Yes, ma'am.
Without finishing, you should not go. Show me your book, how you have written.
I know Cindy.
Then where are you going? I asked them to go because they finished. Dayanand, if you are finished, you can go, ma. Shukriya.
Water. I drink water.
You want to drink water?
Yes.
Go drink water and come. Roshan, finish. Very good, Arjuna. Dayanand or Arjun?
Arjun, ma'am.
Arjun, finish. Very good, Arjun. Thank you, Arjun. Shukriya. You can go now, Arjun.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Arjun. Yes, Dayanand. If you are finished, you can go, Dayanand. Roshan, finished? Yeah, Shukriya. Yes, ma?
Water.
Want to drink water? Go drink water and come. Go. Mahaswin. What are you doing, Mahaswin?
Writing.
What letter you are writing? What is that letter?
ఏం లెటర్ ఇది చెప్పు మ్యామ్ కి. ఏం రాస్తున్నావు ఇది లెటర్ అంటే చెప్పు ఏంటిది అది చెప్పు.
That's it. Should spell and write, no? And how will you know that letter? Simply you are writing, Ja.
చెప్పు జర్న్.
Spell and write. Yes, Nivin. Finished,
He's not aware of that letter, ma'am. He is simply
Ja.
writing.
That's what I'm asking. That's what I told him. Don't go. Ja. You have to ask me, no? Without asking, you are writing. That's what I told you to stay. Ja. Ja, say Janda. Ja. Ryan, what is that letter you are writing, Ryan?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Satvik, if you are finished, you can go, ma, Satvik.
I finished and going, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Shukriya.
Shukriya, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am. I didn't finish yet, ma'am.
Oh.
I will finish after the class.
You want to go now? How much you have to write?
Only one line he has finished fully, ma'am. Writing very slowly. So
Okay, Ryan, take your own time. Okay, Ryan, no problem. Take your own time. You can leave now. Shukriya, Ryan.
Thank you, ma'am. Shukriya,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Good.